Good morning, it's a Sunday. Storm Bert is in full flow. Last night this greenhouse was rattling around like crazy. You can see one little bit on the end there. Just that down there. We'll fix that. The window also seems to have jammed itself open as well. You can see a monkey puzzle lying on its side, some bamboo. Violet tree is missing. Oh no. Oh, some trellis has come off here. Oh, and there's my olive tree. Okay. Oh no, that fence. Fence has come out of its slots there as well. Looks like I've got a busy day sorting all this crap out. Tracky Carp is still looking alright, the new leaves, that's what I was most worried about, to be fair. What I have noticed is the Tracky Carp Wagneranus, which has these sturdier leaves on it. It's also been quite battered. Obviously these leaves don't repair themselves and can take many years to kind of replace themselves. And this Tracky Carp, which had awesome leaves, now kind of looks like the one over there. Oh. Yeah, it looks like a busy day. It looks like I've got my work cut out for me. Anyway, I hope your garden's faring a little bit better than mine. I'm sure there's worse. Have a great day. It's going to be a busy one for me. Enjoy.